Hello and welcome to Tim's BMW repairs and information from a very cold England. Yet the wind's on the change and it's going to get colder, so I want to get these sort of things done first. Right, we've changed the timing chain tensioner, so I'm perfectly happy with the engine now. Time to do the little niceties. I don't like this indicator, sort of frosted. It just doesn't look right. But the LCI version, the facelift versions, get these. They're a bit blingy, I must admit, but I do prefer them to this sort of tired looking plastic. Now on the LCI, they have another hole in the wing about here that the tang on this goes into. We haven't got a hole and we're not going to make a hole in our car. So I'm afraid the Dremel has to come out and we get rid of the tang. Now, you would have thought it'd flop about, but it's got adhesive on this part and that sticks it pretty good. And also, once it's in there, you hardly need this to do anything. It's pretty much straight in there. Okie dokie. Right, to get this out to start with is a bit of a faff. You need a torch and a long screwdriver. Masking tapes, you're going to need a trim tool to lever it out. But you have to push the tang in on just about this point here on these before they're let go. Okie doke, so I'll try and explain it as we go along. I've already done the right hand side and I much prefer that. So let's get on with it. Right, got myself some masking tape. Don't want to mar the surface. Get it as close as you can to the light. Curl it round. That's probably good enough there. I did the other side on the other one, but I don't think I needed to. Right, I will show you the tang and I'll show you looking down the side of the wing, and there's a tang on this part of the light, probably about there, yes. Try and push the tang in and then use the trim tool to get under this to lever it out. It's not as easy as it sounds because there's all sorts of things going on at the same time. Right, long screwdriver, that's going in and hitting the tang about there. Slide it along the wing until you can see the tang. Give it a hefty push. There we go, he's in, I think. And then get the trim tool in and he's out. Right, I'll zoom you in. Right, let's have a look at where the tang was in here. There we go, there's the tang. It's all dirty, I'll clean all this up. Yeah, there's the tang. Screwdriver goes along the wing like this, inside of the wing, and hits that about there. Give it a hefty push, lever it out, and you're done. Right, connector off next. BMW use different connectors everywhere, so I'm going to lever this one out. Probably a smaller screwdriver would be better, but lift the tang out. There we go, he's off. Right, next thing to do, clean that up. Let's have a quick look at that. Can we see what we're doing? Oh, here we go. Yeah, we're looking fine. There is a dirty indicator. There's the tang. There's one that side. And there's one this side. Is that the one you poke? No, it's the other way up. So this one you poke. There you go. Good look at it. Good look at the connector as well. Poke that, trim tool, out it comes. Easy. I'm terrible with a Dremel, but I'll give it a go. I've done one. Pencil the debris. Press off. Just needs to be a bit lower. How's that feel? That'll do nicely. Hopefully my head won't get in the way. Right, this has got a number of clips. It's also got a cutout here and a cutout here that these bits go into. So first of all, we'll plug in the connector. That's clicked into position. And then this goes right up to that corner. The other one goes right up to the other corner. Right, so he's in the corner there. And then it's just a case of gritting your teeth and pushing it in. And it's on. Now, like I said before, this is pretty much secured, but you do get your tape. And what they'll do is they'll just loosen the end off, pull it through. There we go, tape's all off, and covers off, and adhered in position. Better check that works. Yep, that's a winner. And there we go, all done. Yeah, I enjoyed that. That was quite good fun. Yeah, because I've done one already, I know how it all goes. Yeah, it's a bit fiddly trying to get the screwdriver in there. The car's pointing towards the sun today, and I didn't need the torch to look down the wing. But yes, long screwdriver, hit the old indicator about there, lever it out with a trim tool, and that's about all there is to it. Clean the surface, put it into, well, connect it up obviously, put it into position, remove the tape from underneath. It's now stuck to the car. It's not coming off again, very likely. These are LEDs, so they should last forever, and they're a real BMW OEM part, so they should have some longevity, much like the indicators I took off with 2 LEDs. Yeah, they've lasted, what, 13 years, so that's fine. Excellent. Yeah, I do enjoy little things like that. It only takes a few minutes. It's not onerous, and it's done. Put the thumbs up if you enjoyed that. Keep commenting. I love the comments. I like to hear the comments on this. Do you think this is putting LCI stuff on a non-LCI car a bit naughty, or do you prefer the look? I much prefer the look, and I'm not too fussy. Rightio, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.